Precautions for power on and liquid filling and emptying. 1. Preparation and precautions for equipment power on. Check the equipment nameplate and select the appropriate power supply voltage as required. The equipment power is connected. The green light indicates that the phase sequence is normal and can be turned on normally. The red light indicates that the phase sequence is abnormal. Check separately. Lack of phase, reverse phase, and overvoltage and undervoltage require professional personnel to solve and start up. LNEYA's heat transfer oil is divided into 6 models, corresponding to different temperature ranges, and the heat transfer oil medium of the corresponding temperature is prepared in advance. 2. Heat transfer oil addition and emptying method. Open the external valve. Note, if there is a bypass valve, the bypass valve does not need to be opened. Open the top filling port of the equipment to start adding heat transfer medium. Add to 1/2 of the expansion level for the first time. Click the liquid addition and emptying button on the display screen. Observe the liquid level. If it is lower than 1/3, it needs to be added. Normally, it is at 2/3. After the reactor circulates for 30 minutes, the liquid level is stable and does not drop. Close the liquid addition and emptying button in the liquid filling port.